Hello guys and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so I want to quickly introduce you to a group. Okay, so I created this group out of the necessity of students asking questions about admissions. Will this school will I gain admission? What's the cutoff mark for this department in this school? What's the post UME past questions and all? We did the seminar on Saturday on post JAMB maximizing your admission chances, and a lot of students all questions on the comment section on TikTok, on messaging me individually on YouTube. So now this group is going to serve everyone. What do I mean? You come here and ask your question. And when you ask that question, when I reply you and others also maybe that are going to that school reply you, you would, it's like everyone would see that particular message in case maybe they are interested in that school. And we already have, you can see we have 92 members already. Okay, this group was set up, is it Saturday or Sunday? All right, so this is the video of the seminar. All right, I have uploaded on YouTube. You can watch that video to listen of how to maximize several things, details in this video. And students are already here asking their questions. The difference between college, just come here and ask your question. Everyone is asking their question here, so come drop your question and I will reply to you, and we'll be sending you updates, nursing school updates. When school starts at post UME, we'll just start dropping everything here for you. Okay, so please make sure you join. It's a Facebook group. So please just search Nigerian Universities Undergraduate Group by DTW Tutorials. Join the group, or I will leave the link. It will be in the comment section or in the video description box. I'm going to drop the link for you, so come here please. All right, and you can see how do I purchase my post UME form. Come here and drop all your questions regarding admissions. Okay, and I am going to help you out here. All right, so you are destined to win. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ. You are destined to win in life, all right, and in gaining admission into school this year 2024. All right, take care and see you in the Facebook group. Okay, I'll be active here to answer your questions. All right, so please do join. Thank you.